You are watching this video because you want to create a YouTube channel but don't know how. I'm going to show you how to set up YouTube channel so you can start uploading videos. First thing you need to do is to create Gmail account. So move over to YouTube app with your phone. So on your YouTube app, you are going to be seeing icon like this, okay? As you can see, this is my YouTube channel and I'm going to log this one out and log in with another email. Just very simple. Okay, as you can see it now. As you can see, this God's wishes no channel. So let me log this one in. Okay, let me keep it at the dark mode. Zoom in, let go. Okay, got it. Wow, can't you see? I have one YouTube channel now. So as you can see, I can customize this. So I'm going to be using this channel for YouTube automation. As you can see, create channel created. I have already have one channel. Do you see that? Very simple. So on my next video, I'm going to be customizing this. So you guys have seen it's very simple. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to share this video. So we are going to be customizing this channel for our YouTube automation. No subscriber, no video. Can't you see? Very new, brand new channel.